Assalamu alaikum students. Our today's topic is unique topic, a new topic for you. It's a very important phenomena, logarithm. What is logarithm? You're not familiar as you have not learned it before. If we want to clear our concept related to logarithm, so first of all we have to learn its definition, logarithm of a real number. Let's recall the definition of logarithm of real numbers. As we know that in mathematics we have to deal with very large or very small numbers, and for this purpose we write these numbers in exponential form or index notation. So in the definition of logarithm of real number we learn that exponentiation means the numbers written in exponential form or index notation is actually the inverse of logarithm, or logarithm is inverse of exponential notation. As we now well aware of that why logarithm is added to mathematics, we briefly discuss its history. A famous Muslim mathematician, Abu Muhammad Musa al-Khwarizmi, gave the idea of logarithms first. Later on, John Napier in 17th century prepared the tables of logarithm with base e. John Napier prepared the tables for logarithms with base e. As I use base e, so these logarithms are called natural or Naperian logarithms. Professor Henry Briggs has a special interest in the work of John Napier. He extended his work and prepared the log table for base 10. Professor Henry Briggs prepared the tables of logarithms with base 10. As I use the base 10 and it relates to the decimal system, so therefore it is known as common or Briggs logarithm. Next important contribution in logarithm is of George Berge. He prepared the tables for anti-logarithms. These mathematicians play a very vital role in making very complicated and difficult calculations easy one.